In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Tag Manager. Now, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user, these best practices can help ensure your tags are running efficiently, which not only improves tracking but also helps to keep your site speedy. Let's dive in by discussing the importance of minimizing the number of tags you use. It's crucial to install only those tags that you actually need. This helps reduce the amount of data your site has to handle, which is particularly beneficial for loading times and overall performance. As you look over your existing tags, make sure to identify any old or unused ones that no longer serve a purpose. Removing these can significantly streamline your tagging system and reduce potential complications. Next, let's talk about using trigger groups wisely. Instead of creating a multitude of similar triggers, try combining multiple conditions into one trigger group. This not only makes management easier, but also enhances performance by reducing redundant processes. Having fewer, more efficient triggers means your tags are activated just when needed, and this precise targeting helps keep things running smoothly. Now on to organization. Google Tag Manager allows you to use folders to keep everything neat and easy to find. Consider creating specific folders for different tag types, such as analytics, marketing pixels, and conversion tracking, among others. This structured approach to organization will save you time and hassle when you have to locate a specific tag or trigger. Clear labeling can also aid in team collaboration, as everything is more understandable at a glance. Don't forget about the power of built-in variables. GTM provides a rich array of built-in variables, like page URL, referrer, and click classes. Before you go about creating custom variables, make sure to activate these built-in options. Using them instead of creating custom ones whenever possible helps keep your implementation lightweight and more manageable. Testing is crucial in maintaining the efficiency and accuracy of your tags. Always use Google Tag Manager's preview mode before you hit publish. This feature lets you see how your tags will behave on the live site, allowing you to find and fix any errors that might lead to broken tracking or slow page load times. Thorough testing ensures everything is working as expected and contributes to the consistent performance of your site's tag management system. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for successful tag management that supports powerful insights without the overhead. Remember, an optimized Google Tag Manager setup means better data, better decisions, and a better experience for your website's visitors. So go ahead and start implementing these strategies to ensure your Google Tag Manager runs at its peak performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and how-tos.